know. Time to talk that talk. Yeah. Pray for bigger things like owning the Philippines. Pray my 9 to 5 will provide the drive of my vivid scenes. Pray my way to Talica help to purchase my rented dreams and kill a scene. I see him clear but through a tinted screen. Still a king, though I see him plotting like the Philistines. Ever clear my spit is vodka next to that grenadine. I took my pain and my pressure and then I quantified. You and I will witness the God's presence personified. The real recognize real but you ain't notice it. Masses only fuck with the slang cause the king quoted it. I'm by the phone but rather write a poem, yet I'm not at home. Fuck a friend, I gotta ride alone to pay this college loan. Never seen the plus from the crooked shit that they put us through. Sign a paper to get a better living than pitiful. Interest rates to lock in the shack, shit is despicable. And still you're just a slave to the country that just imprisoned you. Wish us well, would lock us in a cell, pray the system fail. Sick or frail, gotta pay to stay inside or hit a jail. Pick a cell, you either see a seed from a visit booth or raise them half free in the land that gave us a Dylan roof. Kill a booth while I spill the truth, cops killing you. Get a badge, get the feeling bad like it's prison proof. Still shocked, though they criticize us, we gon' still rock. We hungry, homie, ain't shit hip, nigga, this real hot, real hot. Yeah. Pray for him, I know.
I don't think it'll help though, bro.
You got a lot more to say,
but they just ain't listening. They better pray they never give me the power to change the planet. Cause I'm coming for the bastards and power that made it stagnant. Can it be true that our country is left stranded without guidance, super leader for people that understands it? Can it be the rich have developed their own schemes to contain us in the ranges according to their needs? It's not true, man, I swear that it can't be. There's gotta be more to the puzzle we can't see. I pray to get a clue and stop praying on me and you. I know they're listening to me, so I pray I convey the truth and take it, I'm breaking through. All these bills are so late and due. At the same time, I can't find a way to just pay him. Who's in charge of making a slave and who is the power to change the rules? It ain't them, I promise you, the power's in me and you. Pray that you make a move and I pray that you make it soon. I'm afraid I'm right here with you and I'm praying I make it too. Won't be a victim or succumb to this anxiety. Paid for my sobriety, came from the other side of the asylum wall, escaped with the vagrants of society. Medicated, jaded, and nation sitting beside of me. Hated what my eyes have seen, this is joke, gotta be. Thankful I decided to speak up and see them following. Together we can beat the powers that be. Devour the greed, landed the free, home of the brave, it's ours to keep. So speak up. Can't kill us all, kill us all. I pray that you stop being prayed.
Head down in my hands clasped by spark flows. How we straight from what the mind thinks but the heart knows. Shit is sad, the food for the thought they give you ain't fit for trash. They sit and laugh cause race don't mean shit to the upper class. Trying to pass wisdom, we lack the paths hitting. We practice race baiting, they practicing classism. Man, you poor and he broke too. You in the same box, so how you yelling slurs when you both stuck in the same block? We stay praying for change, shit is homogenous. How you supposed to climb to the top when the pit is bottomless? Kill it, lock them up to the generation is fatherless. And say to turn the G like the situation ain't bother us. I'm talking change, you talking make it rain. But I don't knock it, homie, we in different lanes. You know it's bad when you trying to craft and everyone around you like turn up, homie, and hit the dab. Shit is drill when they catch you idolizing and sniffing pills to stand up on the TV and tell the youngest to keep it real. Keep it real, real what, homie? Shit is a circus act. Half the shit they fed to us numbing, so where the purpose at? We stay praying till our time stop. Cause they ain't got shit for you except the pine box. Still shot, though they criticize us, we gon' still rock. We hungry, homie, ain't shit hip, nigga, this real hot, real hot. Pray for him, I know. Shout out AF Sin on the beat.